Good morning, class. Well, let's finish up our reading lesson today. You hopefully have watched my video already, teaching you the vocabulary words and launching our week with natural disasters. Then you read the story, which was very exciting, expository text, lots of facts. Now we're in our Monday folder to find our assignment. Remember, we keep all of our work in our folders nice and neat. It's the vocabulary assignment number 21 according to my checkoff sheet. I'm going to start with my name on the top of the paper. Go ahead and check to make sure your name's there. Alright, here are our 8 vocabulary words. It says finish each sentence using the vocabulary word provided. So they gave us our vocabulary words again like they did last week. We're going to use those in these sentences appropriately, and then we're going to box them up to make sure we saw that we had them. Last week we docked a few of you for no end marks on them. You need to have periods, question marks if they're questions, exclamation points, etc. It said, when she saw that it was going to rain, alter. Now, I had a big plans last week, Thursday. I was going to be out of town, and then the rain came, and wow. When she saw it was going to rain, I'm going to put down, she had to alter, which means to change, alter her plans to go camping. I chose camping because camping's no fun in the rain. I ended it with a period. Now that is way too big of a period, but I'm letting the teacher know I put a period there because I don't want to get a B when I deserve an A. So sentences have end marks. Check to box it up. I'm going to box it up. The fort we made of sticks was so fragile. Oh, that one's pretty easy. It collapsed when a high wind came, or it collapsed when we bumped into the wall or something like that. Let's move on. Number 3, destruction. When the tidal wave hit the trees on the beach, tidal wave, destruction. I would say it destroyed the trees, but that's not destruction. So I'm going to put the destruction was terrible. Now, a tidal wave is like a tsunami. Whoa, Mr. Bauer, no B's. And go for my A+. Make sure that I have my period at the end. The destruction was terrible. I'm going to jump down to number 7, hazard. When our neighborhood flooded, hazard. When our neighborhood flooded, the city, water, and sewage department, they're the ones that drive around with the yellow trucks, department, said it was a hazard. I can't fit it, so I'm going to go underneath it. To drive down the road. Period. Box up hazard. That's my the. I know some of you guys were complaining that it was hard to read the other day. I don't know why I write it so fast that it looks like some numbers. The. Okay. When our neighborhood flooded, the city water and sewage department said it was a hazard to drive down the street. I missed a word. I'm glad I proofread it. A hazard to drive down the street. All right, guys. I did 1, 3, and 7 for you. You got 5 left. Make sure they're complete sentences. They end with end marks. You box up the words for complete credit if you're going for A+. You want your grade, so you make sure your name's on it. It goes back in the Monday folder, right where it was in place. So you should have your facts in there. Then you should have your power up, your math assignment, then spelling. Then goes my reading. So they're nice, neat, in order. And I'm set to go. God bless your day.